What is up, YouTube? Dylan Pearson here, and welcome to my video on my 3-step method to creating viral Facebook ads. This works. This is how I've created every single one of my advertisements that have went viral on Facebook, and I'm talking like 5+ million views, and driving high profitability and conversion rates. And it really, I was at the gym today and I was thinking about it. I'm like, there's really only 3 steps to do this. There's only 3 things you need to make sure your ad has. And it's definitely something I wanted to share. So that's what we're going to cover today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm super happy to have you here. Don't miss out on my 500 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be a free 30-minute consulting call with one of you guys, and I usually charge upwards of $500 for this, so it's going to be completely free to one of you. I'm only like 30 subscribers away, so if you're new, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And also, if all of you right now could hit that like button, it's super appreciated and really helps my channel grow. So let's get right into it. This is my 3-step viral Facebook ad tutorial, and the ad right here that you see, I think a lot of people know this ad. This is Flex Posture. This is like for the posture corrector. This one isn't mine, but I didn't want to share my own ads because it would give away a lot of my branding, my products, my copy, and everything like that. So this one is a very well-known one, and this is one that's been around for a while. So this one has 15,000 comments. I believe this has over 15 million to 20 million views, if I remember correctly from the statistics, and 10,000 likes, 4,000 shares. So this is a perfect example of a viral ad, and it's also a perfect example of the 3-step viral ad formula that I'm going to show you here. So what is the formula here? It's made up of these 3 things. First, we have a 3-second shocker. That's what I call it. I call it the 3-second shocker. Next, we have the problem solution. And then finally, we have the call to action. This is literally all you need to make a video ad go viral on Facebook. So I'm going to break these down here, and then we're going to get into real examples of how you should structure your ad based off the example that I'll show you. So what is the 3-second shocker? Basically, these emojis right here sum up the reactions of the viewer, the reactions that you should be trying to draw out of the viewer. So the 3-second shocker is the first 3 seconds of your video. It's a clip that makes the user react in some sort of way. Wow, shocked, happy, scared, amazed, sad, worried. It engages the user for the continuation of the video. The first 3 seconds of the video have been proven to be the most important part of the video because it's what either gets the user to stay or gets the user to leave. And if you can grab the peak interest portion of the video. So let's say you have a video on, the Flex Posture Corrector, or the posture corrector. Let's say you have the portion where someone's just kind of like strapping it in, or you have the portion where you see their back go from hunched over to perfect. The hunched over back going to perfect is going to be the one that makes people say, wow, like I can imagine my back doing that. Or let's say you have a hairbrush, like a magical hairbrush that makes hair go from like crazy to perfectly straight and silky smooth. You want that clip of them using the brush going from crazy to silky smooth as the first 3 seconds. That's what I mean by the peak interest portion of the video. You want to take the part of the video that just wows the user and put it at the first 3 seconds. And if you're saying, I don't have anything like that, you can find videos in that niche that shocks the user. So I'm trying to think. Let's say you have like a mosquito killing product. You can take a bunch of mosquitoes like swarming people and just put it at that first 3 seconds to set the tone of the video, what it's going to be about. It doesn't have to have your product in it, but the viewers are going to know it's about mosquitoes or about flies or about bugs. You need the first 3 seconds of the video to be the portion that makes the person really have a reaction, have an emotional response to it, whether it's ew, or whether it's like amazed or wow, I need that. This is the most important part of the video, because if they don't stick around after these 3 seconds, they're not going to visit your website, they're not going to buy, they're not going to watch a rest, they're not going to take a friend. So the 3-second shocker is the very first portion of the formula and the most important portion of the formula. Next, we have the problem and solution. So what is this? It's the core content of your video. It clearly presents the viewer's problem and demonstrates your product, service, or brand as the solution. And one thing that's different that I do compared to a lot of other advertisers is I keep it less than 20 seconds. My goal with this is to clearly state the problem and clearly state the solution. I don't want any confusion about what's going on. So I want some clips that show the problem very, very, very dramatically, like not over exaggerating the problem, but I want it to really show the pain point of the issue that you're presenting. And then I want to provide the solution, and I don't want to lollygag around this. I want to get straight to the point. So I like less than 20 seconds because as the days go by, people's attention spans are getting shorter and shorter. So, the shorter the better in terms of the core content. So this is what the second part of the formula is. And then finally, the third portion of the formula is a call to action. And this is the best opportunity that you've had this entire time to move the viewer into the next phase of your funnel. So let's say they're new, it's a cold audience. This is your time to move them into the visitors portion, to the add to cart portion of your funnel, and really get them in there so you can retarget them, or they might just convert. The call to action needs to be very clear and very loud. You need to tell the viewer what to do next. You shouldn't suggest it. You shouldn't just put it up in the corner. You shouldn't just expect they know what to do. You need to tell them in bright, big, bold letters, straight to the point. Tell them what to do. And it is incredibly important. So let's go ahead, and I want to show you guys this specific ad here. So this is, let me refresh here. I had it open so I could take that screenshot. Okay, so here it is, and this is the ad. So as you can see, the first 3 seconds, first 3 seconds exactly, 1, 2, and then right on 3 it changes. It has the wow portion of the video. So you see this person's back go from horrible posture to like just incredibly different and better. And that's the portion, that's the 3 second shocker right there. So that's going to make someone say, whoa, like what is this video about? How did that person just do that? I'm going to watch the rest. Then it goes in to the problem and the solution. So this device corrects your posture. So it's explaining the problem. So people's spines aren't aligned, back pain. Yeah, so you can say goodbye to back pain. And standing taller with more confidence, and it's presenting a solution. So at the same time, it's clearly stating the problem. It's not going around any side roads. It's getting straight to the point. There's a problem with back pain, spinal alignment, standing tall, and then it's showing how to use this posture corrector. So it literally shows this person putting it on, and it fixes their posture. Shows this person using it. So the live demonstrations are great. And then one thing that I see this one do that I didn't really mention is it clearly it presents probably the biggest objective to this product, which is wearing it, because it's kind of like, you don't want to wear this out in public. So they clearly take the objective and state why it's really shouldn't be an objective. You can wear it underneath your clothes. So that's a good thing to do too. It's not required though for the ad to go viral. This is something that you can cover on your website or your landing page. So overall, it does a great job. And then they go into a call to action. So this one didn't say, come to the website, buy now. This one says, share with a friend that needs this. And honestly, if I watched this video and I could think of somebody besides myself that needed my posture corrected and maybe have back pain, I would 100% tag them in this. And if you look at it, it's 10,000 comments. And a lot of them, I look through them, are just tagging friends. So it presents a clear call to action. And then the great thing about that is once they've liked, once they've commented, they're now in your custom audience of Facebook page engaged and even post engaged. They probably, if they watch this far, they're probably a 95% video viewer. So now they're in your funnel. So even though they didn't go to your website, you have a ton of opportunity to tag them or to retarget them. And then also they do have the call to action here. Get yours here. But I like the call to action for this specific video. If this is like the prospecting video, the cold audience video, then this call to action would work great. So this ad right here is a perfect example of the 3-step formula to creating viral video ads. And this works every time. I think, video is 40 seconds. Personally, I've been finding videos under 30 seconds are performing better nowadays on Facebook, lower CPMs and just higher click-through rates. But yeah, 3-second shocker, the problem solution, and the clear call to action here. So that is literally how you create viral Facebook ads. And I didn't go into like exactly what software you should use, because this can be done with any software. There's mobile phone apps like InShot. You can use Animoto, which is a website. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro. So it really doesn't matter what software you're using. All you need to do is make sure your video follows the 3-step viral video formula, and that is how you create viral Facebook ads. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure to like the video and leave a comment letting me know if this is something you are already doing, or if you didn't know about this exact formula to create viral Facebook ads. And I will see you in the next video. Dylan out.